Your servers run 24/7, and they depend on reliable environments built for non-stop operation. In small IT rooms, comfort cooling can cause temperature fluctuations and airflow shortfalls that put your equipment at risk. Without proper cooling, downtime can become a costly reality. Introducing Vertiv CoolPhase Wall, the dedicated IT cooling solution for small IT spaces. Unlike comfort cooling, Vertiv CoolPhase Wall features a high sensible heat ratio that targets heat from IT equipment, giving you precise control over temperature and airflow. It's designed for continuous operation, keeping your critical equipment protected around the clock all year long. Compact, efficient, and flexible, Vertiv CoolPhase Wall fits seamlessly into edge environments and small data rooms. Remote monitoring and diagnostics keep you informed of cooling status and maintenance requirements, even when you're off-site, reducing the time to respond to on-site interventions. Reliable, scalable, purpose-built for IT infrastructure. Protect your IT investment with Vertiv CoolPhase Wall.